The all-new Mercedes Sprinter has been revealed. The new large van from Mercedes has been designed to offer technologically advanced delivery solutions for big and small companies alike, as well as offering a wide range of body, chassis, and seating options to accommodate every kind of business requirement. The new Sprinter goes on sale in the UK in June 2018. It's clear that the Sprinter Mk3 is an evolution of the vans that have gone before it. While the new Sprinter was previewed by the Mercedes Vision van, the production version has a boxier look than the concept. Compared to its predecessors, there's a more distinct angle between the bonnet and the upright windscreen, but the large grille with vast centrally mounted three-pointed star remains in place. The Sprinter's new shape is designed to bring the cab forward to help boost carrying capacity in the back. While the looks are an evolution, there's plenty of new technology under the skin. Mercedes is now offering front and rear-wheel drive options on the Sprinter, with the former offering a load floor that's 80 mm lower to improve load volume and access. This is ideal for courier fleets that don't necessarily need the heavy payload that a rear-wheel drive van can offer. The front-wheel drive van is lighter by up to 50 kilograms, so fleet users can save on running costs by going for the smallest capacity engine available, but without compromising van flexibility. 2018 Mercedes Sprinter, engine range and driver aids. Engines ranging from 113 bhp to 188 bhp will be available, while 6-speed manual and optional 7-speed 7G-tronic gearboxes will be offered. In addition, Distronic adaptive cruise control and a suite of safety electronics will come as standard on the Sprinter, making it one of the safest large vans on sale. Adaptive stability control and crosswind assist, which will brake each wheel independently to prevent the van from rolling, are part of this. The front-drive Sprinter is available in wheelbases up to 3.9 meters, while the rear-wheel drive model is offered with a wheelbase of up to 4.3 meters. If a wide load area is needed, then the rear-drive model with single rear wheels offers a maximum width of 1.2 meters. Mercedes has designed the new Sprinter to be easy to drive, and options such as a parking package with park assist are available to help drivers negotiate tight delivery destinations. Air suspension will be offered for passenger variants, while the MBUX infotainment system that debuted on the new A-Class hatchback a week before the Sprinter will be available, too. New Mercedes Sprinter, connectivity features. The new Mercedes Sprinter model will equal or improve on the current van in terms of payload, volume, and fuel efficiency, but Mercedes is pushing a new wave of connectivity that will allow fleet users to monitor their vehicles, and an e-Sprinter electric variant will also join the range. The 2018 Sprinter will feature a built-in communications module that will allow van fleet managers to monitor their vehicles as closely as they want, allow remote control of load areas and automatically schedule maintenance to ensure their vehicles are off the road for as short a time as possible. This hardware will also be programmable by the user, as the Linux-based system is open source, so third-party software can be developed to suit specific user needs, whether it's for chilled distribution, multi-drop deliveries, or even the emergency services. The communications module will directly link back to a fleet operator via Mercedes' own desktop computer software called Mercedes Pro, while telematics data from vehicles will also be sent back to Mercedes to monitor how each Sprinter is being used. The van hardware will be integrated with the GPS system, too. So for example, if a multi-drop courier has a hold-up on their journey, the navigation can reroute them so that they don't suffer serious delays.